Sanibonani, igama lami 𝐿wandiswa-𝐭𝐤𝐤𝐚. I'm a third-year student. Last year bengenza second year and I was able to obtain 7 distinction. Ngathola position 1. I don't know lie, ngijabule ngendlela esimanga. What inspired me ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngiye phambili. Abasekhaya bebe-motivate, my friends, kahle kahle abantu engihlangane nabo bangimotivate ukuthi sikwazi ukuqhubekela sisebenze phambili. I was one of the students futhi abaphumile on my first year na second year kanjalo futhi ngikwazile futhi ukuphuma, and I have hope ukuthi ngiphinde ngikwazi futhi ukuphuma to my last year.
My name is 𝐒𝐿𝐴. I'm a third-year student this year. Today I received an award for second-year academics. I received all distinctions in my second year with an aggregate of 90.1%. Today I'm feeling really happy with my achievement. It's so good to see all my hard work, being acknowledged. So yes, I'm very happy and grateful to be here today.
Igama lami 𝐒𝐿𝐴, ngenza i-retail management ngiyi-third year, and today ngithole i-award for position 1 from the-achievement last year. I'm so happy, jabule kakhulu ukuthi ngi-achievile after ukusebenza kanzima, because from first year bengingasiyho top student, but ukuba nabangani aba-right nje abakukhuthazayo ngokufunda khona ukuthi ngifunde ukuze namhlanje ngize ngithole i-position. So ngijabule kakhulu. Besenza ama-modules ayi-8, so I managed to obtain 7 of them. So ngijabule ama-distinction aba-7. I think ngiqeda isikole kudala kakhulu ukuthi ngize ngikwazi ukungena e-university. Ngiqhamukela emakhaya and benganayo i-access ukuthi ngiyele kuma-university, so ngingenele and ngisengikwi-age endala for mina ekutheni kade ngaqeda i-matric, but nje lokho okwenzakalayo njengamanje kuyangijabulisa because ngiyabona ukuthi ikusasa lami lisekhona, singashaya.